Is this the strangest way to use your campervan? Want to reduce your energy bills? Cheers! Cheers! We've been thinking, in the times when we're at home and Merlin's just sitting on the drive and he's sitting there with his batteries fully charged, but there may be a lot of sunshine and the solar power is just being wasted. The solar panel is picking up plenty of sunshine, but it's just not being used. So we try to take advantage of that. This is what we did. So we thought we'd take advantage of the lovely sunshine we're having, and we ran a cable all the way back to Merlin and in there through the window and along to the inverter, and so in effect we made that smoothie with solar power.
When we checked the batteries after drinking our lovely smoothies, we noticed that we'd only used 1% of Merlin's capacity. By our reckoning, that means that loads of saucepans, kettles and toasters can be heated using Merlin's batteries, all courtesy of solar power and also brought to our home.
We realised that solar power isn't always available, but why not help offset astronomical energy bills in winter by using solar power in your home during the summer? Every little helps. We hope you found this useful. Cheers! Those of you that know us know that we've got lithium batteries in Merlin, but not everyone's systems will be suitable for this. At the end of this video there will be a link to the vlog where I upgraded the batteries, so if you want to know anything about it, have a look at that.